Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover the Zerion airdrop. This is of course a possible airdrop, but there is something very important about this project that for us airdrop hunters is going to serve you like a lot. So don't miss any airdrop distribution, because Zerion has some new section, the perks, that is going to allow you to track your wallet and know if you need to claim any airdrop distribution. Like always in my videos, we are going to cover a little bit about the project, what Zerion is, and also the step-by-step of what I found on how you can participate on this airdrop. If it's your first time here guys, remember and check my subscriptions. I have a private Discord where we discuss airdrops, crypto gems, meme coins, many other stuff. Any way that we can make money in crypto, and I have an application that is going to help you to register your airdrops. So check the subscriptions. And before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey crypto fans, well, Zerion has many utilities and you can track all your portfolio. They have a proprietary wallet. It's not a centralized wallet, so your funds are not in a centralized exchange, so they work differently on that. But you can track any DeFi project, and what is more important and why I'm covering this is because they launched a new feature called Perks that is going to help you to know if you are eligible for any airdrop distribution. So for us airdrop hunters, this is a very important tool, because it's going to make easy to know if you already need to claim some airdrop. So Zerion is the ultimate DeFi investment interface, allowing users to discover every asset on the market, trade at the best rates, and manage the entire DeFi portfolio from one place. Zerion tracks over 50 protocols, making it easy to find the tokens spread across multiple DeFi platforms and Ethereum addresses. Zerion doesn't have an own token and could launch one in the future. There's a rumor that they may do an airdrop to early users of the platform if they launch a token. So Zerion has been already in the market from a while, but still is not news of a token. But for what I have been seeing here, a token it will be great for this project. So I am thinking that probably at some point it's going to be an airdrop, a token distribution here. And because they have these new features about perks and airdrops, I think they may launch an airdrop. So the Zerion wallet is a non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet that secures open source technologies and lets you stay in control of your private keys and seed phrase. And you can access the assets using your private keys that are encrypted and safely stored in your phone, for example, if you are using their application. And you can log in also into the web page to use it. There are some cool stuff about this project. They have also a DX wallet for multi-chains. They can track portfolios, so it's really useful. If you start to using it, you're going to really know how your portfolio is performing. You can swap and DX futures. And Zerion has raised 20.5 million from top investors, including Coinbase Ventures. And like I say, I am really covering this not only for the airdrop, but because they have launched recently these Zerion Perks that is going to tell you if you have airdrops to claim. So one way to use Zerion is that you can import your Metamask into your Zerion wallet. So I will also put this link on my post so you know exactly how to do it with the official documentation. The website is zerion.io. And you can check there, scrolling down, all the different things that the website has to offer, and you can read about the different products that they have. One interesting thing that I found is their roadmap. You can go to roadmap.zerion.io and you can see how they have everything organized here, planned, in progress, and live. So you can really know here, this is like a Trello solution, everything that they have planned to do and what is the progress on that, what is already completed. So I think this is really transparent in terms of roadmap. And in the Twitter account, they have 160,000 followers already. And you can see this was launched the 30th of March, where they introducing the Zerion Perks. So I will take just 1 second to show you this video. So what are these perks in the Zerion wallet? Perks in the new tab in Zerion wallet shows what your address can do based on your on-chain profile. So the most obvious things are airdrops and whitelist opportunities. If you try new networks, protocols or dApps, your address could be eligible for their token airdrops. And if you hold certain NFTs, your address could be automatically whitelisted for new mints and early access claims. But you first need to hear about these opportunities somewhere, usually on Twitter or Telegram. With Zerion, you simply open your wallet and check the perk tab. It will show what you can do with your wallet now. So how to get more perks? If you create a new address to the testnet Zerion wallet, your perks screen will be empty, of course, because this is based on on-chain profile. So it's best to import your existing wallet address into Zerion. Then the perks tab may show other opportunities you didn't even know existed. So again guys, I will put also this link on the documentation in my post, so you can go here and read everything on how you need to do this. Now moving on the part of the video for the airdrop, the step 1 is follow them on Twitter, step 2 follow them on Discord, you have here the links. The step 3, head over the Zerion app, connect your wallet and start swapping. I would recommend you to make 10 transactions or more with different chains and reach over 1k in total volume. For this case, I really recommend you volume because this app has been already from a while. So maybe if they base their airdrop on volume and transactions and usage, then I think you are going to need to have at least 1k in volume. So here in step 3, you go to appzerion.io and you can go to the swap page. Of course, what you need to do first is connect your wallet. Here you will see the performance of your wallet. You can see your total profile here, NFTs if you have, the history, and everything, and you can check all the networks that you have been doing, and you have your history of transactions too. In Explore you have this variety of things. You can see top gainers, losers, market pools and everything. You can go to DeFi indexes, you can see DeFi blue chips, NFT protocols and more. You can of course send some favorites, you can send tokens from one wallet to another, you can swap here. So you have a swap and you also have a bridge. So for this airdrop, I would recommend you to start doing all this stuff, interact with the application, and you can easily do a swap here. You have everything. So swap any token that you have for any other token, that will be enough. Remember to try swap during a couple of days and make at least 1000 in volume. So step 4 is you go to the bridge and bridge some funds and transfer your funds between different chains. Again, I would recommend you to go above $1,000. This is of course not mandatory, it's only my opinion. There's no place that says that you need to do that. I hope you understand that. It's only what I think it will be recommendable at this point of this project. Just speculating for this airdrop. So again, if you can only transfer volume like $100, just do that. So in the same app, you go to the bridge part that we already show. So you go here to bridge. So here you can send funds from one chain to another chain. So there's a lot of the normal and usual layer 2s too. So that will be easy and it will be cheaper than using Ethereum. So you can send funds from Arbitrum to Polygon to Optimism. So it's going to be easy and cheap to do that. Then the step 5 is download the Zerion mobile wallet to claim your DNA NFT. DNA is the world's first dynamic NFT avatar that evolves with your Web3 activity. So downloading the app, you are eligible to get this DNA NFT. And if I would the company and I would this project, I really will give the airdrop to people that have downloaded and using my application. So I think it would be recommended for this airdrop that you downloaded the app in your phone instead of using only the web application. So download the app and get that DNA NFT. And the step 6 here, guys, it will be buy the Zerion Genesis NFT. There's a floor price for this of $20. I think it's a perfect risk-reward ratio. You can buy this in OpenSea. This is the official collection. So if you go there, you are going to see the collection. The floor price right now is 0.028 Ethereum. Again, this is my speculation, what I think you need to do. If you don't want to buy this, it's fine. Just use the application, the web app, and use the download the phone application. So that could be enough for this. But if you really want to do everything that is in your power for this, then you can go and get the Zerion Genesis Collection NFT. And you can see that this is official. This is listed in CoinGecko on Ethereum NFTs. So again, you can see here the official information on how it's been traded. The floor price can increase. So actually, even if you buy it for the airdrop, maybe at some point, this could be also something that you can sell it and you can get some profit on this. And if this NFT is the difference between you getting an airdrop or not, you can see that there's only 51,000 owners. So it's not a very, very big amount of people owning this NFT. So for me, it's a good idea if you really want to participate on this possible airdrop to get this NFT too. And step 7 is in this kind of projects and wallets, decentralized wallets with the applications, don't forget to stay active and make transactions regularly. I would say every week, at least do some swaps, some bridge, so you can see that you're using the app. And if you're using my application on my subscriptions, like you know guys, I have 2 subscriptions on my website, cryptocurrencystate.net/subscription. One is my private Discord, where we cover daily airdrops that are not in my YouTube channel. We are making money with Pepe, aptos, many other meme coins. Many people in my Discord are making money on that. And we are covering also 100x gems, like many other projects like Myra and others. And guys, I have my application. This is something that I created. You can see here in this video and this video some updates that I did on my app and how my app works. But basically it's going to help you to register all the airdrop progress that you do if you are working in one wallet or using multiple wallets to farm and get more rewards. And also it's going to help you to apply easily to the airdrops that I cover, and you can create your custom airdrops in my app, so it's not going to restrict you the use only on my channel or my ecosystem. You can do any airdrop that you are seeing with another influencer. It's going to be fine. You are going to be able to use my app. My app is the reason why I get so much money with the Arbitrum airdrop. I did it with 12 wallets and I get a lot of money on that airdrop. So using my app is really going to pay very quickly, guys, as soon as you get one airdrop. So step 7, if you are using my app, you're going to see it as a recurrent task. So my app is going to help you to remember that. It's not complicated, guys. This airdrop, that is everything that you need to do. There's no social stuff to do besides follow them on Twitter and Discord. But again, if you want to be up to date with everything, you need to go to the Ethereum Discord and be there, because there are some roles, verifications to do, and all the announcements this project is doing. So you can see there's 75k users on Discord, so it's a big community and a really nice project. And again, guys, before we leave, remember that they have the perks. You are going to be able to see this when you download the application. You don't have it here on your web app. So check the application, check the perks, because if you import your wallet there, that doesn't mean that you cannot continue using your Metamask, but you are going to be able to see those perks and see how they help you to get your airdrop distributions. So I think that is a very interesting part of this project and why I am covering on this video. Guys, that will be all for this video. Remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.